One dilemma that mobile phone users will always face is choosing whether to get a prepaid SIM or a postpaid plan. Both of them do have their pros and cons, but is there one that stands out from the other? What's up guys, Jose here from Yugatech, and join me in this video as we talk about the pros and cons of both postpaid and prepaid. More importantly, we'll see which one will suit your needs the best. Before we go into the details, I do need to mention that there are various important factors a person considers before choosing whether to go postpaid or just simply getting a prepaid SIM. Some of these are more important, like financial capability, data allocation, and the like. Then you have factors such as the phones included in postpaid plans, along with call and text benefits. Remember, the decision is up to you at the end of the day. So, without further ado, let's get started. Let's talk about the pros of getting a postpaid plan first. One of the main reasons why people get a postpaid plan in the first place is because telcos include devices that can be had for free or through installment means. Subscribers need to pay for the cash out and the rest can be paid monthly on top of your bill. When you compute the total contract amount, sometimes you'll notice that it's lower or close to the SRP of the device without the plan. It's like getting a discount on the device or the plan itself. Depending on your monthly plan, you can also get these devices for free, assuming you have a high enough plan. Another benefit of having a postpaid plan is that it eliminates the hassle of having to reload your account every so often. You also don't have to worry about running out of credits when you're in the middle of a call or while texting. When you exceed your plan limits, the telco will charge you for the excess usage, and you can still use your phone. Along with this, postpaid options also offer really good benefits and deals with your plans. These can include unlimited call and text to the same networks or others, larger data allocation, or even customer benefit perks. You can even customize the plan to your liking, budget, and more. With that, a postpaid plan does offer a lot, but there are also downsides to getting one as compared to a regular prepaid SIM. For starters, it's not as easy to get one since customers need to submit requirements when applying for a postpaid plan. That means filling out forms, presenting your IDs, along with all other documents that can be a hassle, especially if you don't have them at the ready. The application is also subject to the approval depending on the plan you're getting. Some postpaid plans though, like those with lower monthly payments, are easier to get and often require just an ID to be approved. In addition to needing more requirements, also a financial commitment, since you will be locked in for around 24 months or 2 years usually. That said, I recommend you assess your budget to make sure you can continuously pay for the contract first before getting into a postpaid plan. But perhaps the most important thing to note is that the device or devices that will be provided to you will also be SIM locked from the moment you get them. It's usually not an issue with dual SIM smartphones with dual LTE connectivity, as only one SIM is locked. However, it can be an issue for single SIM devices. And you know what I'm talking about. I'm looking at you, iPhone, even though I have one. Now, let's move on to prepaid SIMs. What's great about prepaid SIMs is that they can easily be purchased. If you need a prepaid SIM or you want to change your number, all you need to do is go to the store down the road and buy one. No need for forms, other requirements. These things are available in telco official stores or mobile phone stores in malls, or even 7-Elevens and other stores. Unlike postpaid plans, you don't need to fill out any documents either. No need to show ID, proof of payment, etc, etc. At the same time, there's no lock-in period if you want to change telcos. So if you want a Globe SIM and then a Smart SIM, then you can easily change it up whenever you want. But with the new SIM Registration Act in place, do note that you now have to register them first before you can use them. But still, it's not too much of a hassle. Aside from accessibility, prepaid SIMs are also a lot more affordable and usually just cost around 40 pesos or more or less. Now, do note that the price might depend on the telco provider. In addition, telcos also offer a lot of promos and subscriptions for prepaid users. Some of these can include a large amount of data for X number of days, only call and text for 24 hours, and many more. There are plenty of options available for different kinds of users. And what's great is you can even subscribe to multiple promos so you can maximize your credits. You'll even find some promos with better benefits as compared to postpaid plans. Lastly, for budget conscious users, you can decide how much you want to spend each month for load. Want to spend 1,000 on prepaid load this month? Sure, no problem. How about 500 for the next month? That's not a problem as well. You're in full control and there are no monthly bills. So you can have a little more leeway when it comes to budgeting. Now, in terms of cons, when you go prepaid, you don't get a device with the SIM. Specifically, if you want to get a device through installment plans, sadly, it's not offered via prepaid means. Some devices can be purchased from the telco store directly, but you do have to pay for the whole amount immediately. But perhaps the most inconvenient part about prepaid is that you have to constantly reload your SIM. You also have to be mindful of your credits, especially if you're not subscribed to any promos. No one wants to receive an insufficient load notification when you're in the middle of a call or SMS conversation. So that about wraps it up. Which one is for you? If you have the budget, we recommend going postpaid if you want to acquire a flagship smartphone through installment means. It will also allow you to enjoy the renewal benefits, especially if you're going to upgrade to a newer device after your contract expires. Add to that the convenience of not having to reload your SIM while not having to reload at all. As for prepaid, we recommend this to those who have a bit of a tighter budget. At the same time, it's great for users who don't like lock-in periods and want to take advantage of the telco promos for prepaid SIMs. Or if you're still not sure, why not do both? Most smartphones nowadays have dual SIM card slots. You can put a postpaid SIM on one and a prepaid SIM from another telco on the other, and maximize the benefits that the telco providers have. But what do you think about this debate? Is prepaid better than postpaid, or is it the other way around? Or are they just the same in your eyes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful or informative, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to our channel to watch more, and hit that bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been Jose, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.